What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be cleaning my car from inside, and I'm gonna show you how to clean your car from inside without paying a lot of money to the shops. Like when you have to clean your car from inside, it is just like really dirty, and you go to shops and they charge a lot. So you just need a vacuum cleaner, like a vacuum cleaner and some water, like to clean off the carpets and all of that stuff in your car, and that's it. Like money, you don't need to pay a lot of money to get your car cleaned from inside, so you can do that by yourself at your home. So let's get into it. Guys, you don't need to buy a really expensive vacuum cleaner. You can buy a cheap vacuum cleaner which works really well. Like this vacuum cleaner works really well. I have used it a couple of times, so that's why it is like really new, and it is not dirty at all. Like I have only used it a couple of times. So like this vacuum cleaner is like really nice and it works really well. Like I bought this few months ago and I seriously like this vacuum cleaner. You can also buy this vacuum cleaner, it works really fine. As you can see, I just washed this car a couple of days ago and it is like really dirty. Like really dirty, it got really dirty in a couple of days. So I'm gonna show you the interior. You can see like due to the lighting you're not able to see, but my car is really dirty from inside. Like there is a lot of dirt, and I'm gonna be cleaning all of this. As you can see, like this car is really dirty from inside, like really dirty, and I'm gonna clean this car. You're gonna see before and after of this car. I'll just start cleaning this area and I'll show you after cleaning this area how this looks. As you can see, like this is way cleaner than before. Like it is a lot cleaner than before and it looks really nice. So this vacuum cleaner does works really nicely. So you can have this vacuum cleaner or any vacuum cleaner. You don't need to buy this vacuum cleaner. You don't need to buy this vacuum cleaner. It's just like you can have any vacuum cleaner and you can clean it by yourself. Like yeah, there are some sparkles here, but these are just like, these are not coming off. So I have to wash this. So I have to wash this. These sparkle, I have to wash this. So I'm gonna do that after some time. So it's just like I'm gonna go through all of my car and I'm gonna clean every single thing, and I'm gonna show you before and after. Like that is really dirty, so I'll clean all of that. You can see like this was before, like this was before I started cleaning, and this is like after I cleaned. Like you can see there is a lot of difference. Like these things were all over my car, and now they are just, it is just like really clean. That is like, you can do this in like 15 to 20 minutes by having a vacuum cleaner. So it makes it really easy. Like you can see after cleaning, it is just like really nice. Before it was just like there were so many color particles. Like I don't know what they were. I think they were confetti bombs, stuff like which comes from confetti bomb. So now it is just like clean. It looks really nice, and I can just be like, yeah, I have a clean car now. This was the dirt which was in my car. Like there was a lot of dirt in my car, and now I will start cleaning my dashboard. Like my dashboard is also really dirty. You cannot see because like, yeah, you can see like it is really dirty. I'm gonna clean it, and after that I have a polish and I'll clean it with that. Like after cleaning the dashboard, you can just like use some polish, and just like that would be nice. Like I don't have a microfiber towel for this or a sponge to apply the polish, so I'm using a soft cloth for this. You can see now my dashboard is shining because I applied some polish on it, and now it looks really nice. And I have applied polish on my door cards and they look really nice. So that is just like I cleaned every single thing with my polish, so it looks really nice and clean. Like these floor mats are the last thing I need to clean, all of these floor mats, so I'm gonna clean them now. I'm gonna vacuum them and then I'll just like put them back. As you can see now, this car is way much cleaner than before.
Hope you guys like this video and just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and that would be really nice to me, and I hope you learned from this video. Thank you guys.